Hello, and welcome back to the Tingenuity AI channel, where we explore tools that make digital creation seamless and efficient. Today, we're focusing on a fantastic feature from Descript called Edit for Clarity. Ready to see how it can streamline your editing process? Let's jump in. Edit for Clarity targets the less glamorous yet crucial part of content creation, cleaning up your recordings. This tool automatically detects and helps you cut out fillers, repetitive phrasing, and unwanted pauses, making your podcasts and videos as sharp as your ideas. Take a look at this segment from our original video.
Well, there's a lot of AI expanding in every industry, right? And we're seeing it impact so many things from our businesses, our own businesses. But in healthcare, it has some unique qualities, and especially with some of the recent announcements. Google has announced their Amy, the Articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer, which is an AI to help them.
You'll notice several ums, ahs, and repetitive phrases that can detract from our message. Let's apply Edit for Clarity. Right-click in the script view, select Edit Actions, and choose Edit for Clarity. Watch as Descript suggests edits. With just a few clicks, we can clean this up. And here's how it looks after applying the edits.
Expanding in every industry, right? And we're seeing it impact so many things. But in healthcare, it has some unique qualities, especially with some of the recent announcements. Google has announced their Amy, the Articulate Medical Intelligence Explorer, which is an AI to help them discover and...
Notice the improved flow and how the message is conveyed more clearly. This feature is more than just a time saver. It enhances the professionalism of your content, making it more engaging for your audience. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to elevate their digital media. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified about our latest tools and tips. Keep creating, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.